SMT and DIP are the two dominant methods used for the assembly process of components on circuit boards. But they have some differences in processing techniques. SMT is the direct mounting of electronic components on the surface of a PCB. After printing solder paste on the bare PCB and testing OK, the electronic components will be mounted on the designated pad position by the mounter. Electronic components through the reflow soldering high temperature, the solder paste melting, electronic components and PCB pads firmly welded together to avoid parts falling off. After reflow soldering, we also need to check the quality of the soldering to see if there is a bad soldering situation. DIP, on the other hand, inserts the pins of the component into the through holes of the PCB. DIP plug-in processing is generally more suitable for large, heavy components, such as power modules, relays, etc. Usually used in industrial control, medical equipment, and other fields. Because DIP plug-in materials are inline electronic components, wave soldering is required to perform soldering processing from the back of the PCB board. These are some of the technical differences between SMT and DIP reproduction processes. If you have any questions about the PCB manufacturing process, please feel free to discuss with us in the comments section.